Am I audible to everyone now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So question 25th. How many you could do this question? Raise your hand. Anybody else? Okay. ठीक है. I'll let you know. So given is A plus B plus C is equals to, Srinidhi, you did 23rd also?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A plus B plus C is equals to 9. Just see ki, is this the same method you followed or some other method? A
Okay.
square plus B square plus C square is equals to 35. So you have to find the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Correct? So this is the question, and these two things are given. You have to find the value of this. So by seeing this, can we write it as A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA? Correct? We can write like this. Any doubt
Yes, sir.
anyone has? No. So this is given, but this is not given. So we have to find this value. So now you have to remember few things in which formula minus AB minus BC minus CA was present. If I recollect, what was the formula? Anyone?
So
Yeah, tell
A
me.
square, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus
Plus
2CA.
2CA. So this is the formula where AB, BC and CA were present. And here also we have to find something like that. So if we A plus B plus C the whole square we do, we'll get this. And we know this. We know this. Can we find the value? If I write it, A plus B plus C, this is 9 square is equals to A square plus B square plus C square. Can we write it as 35 plus this? If we take,
2 common.
yeah, wait, 2 common, 2AB plus BC plus CA, if we take it, then can we find this value? Let's see, let's do it. So 9 square is 81. 35 will go other side, will become 30 minus 35. This will be 2AB plus BC plus CA. So 81 minus 35, 46.
46.
46 is equals to 2AB plus BC plus CA. Correct? Now, AB plus BC plus CA, can we write it as 23 is equals to AB plus BC plus CA? Can we write this 23 as this?
Yes, sir.
Now, in this question, going back to this equation 1,
Got it.
got it. Wow. Now, going back to this, can we replace A plus B plus C as 9? This into, then A square plus B square plus C square is what?
35.
35. Here, can we take minus common? What is left out inside?
AB plus BC plus C.
AB plus BC plus CA. Can we replace this as 9 into 35 minus 23? Then 9 into 12
12,
is equals to
108.
the answer. See the approach. See, this is one type of question, but approach should be. I'll tell you again. Listen to me. This is given. What is given? These things are given. What you have to find? This you have to find. So from here to here you have to move. So okay, this is the formula. I remember that this is equals to A plus B plus C and this one. So write it down. Now see what is given. Acha, this is with me. Okay, this is also with me, but this is not there. But how to find this? In which formula we will find A, B, B, C, C, A? Immediately, since there are three terms, three variables, it should be three variables A, B, C. So immediately you can remember A plus B plus C whole square was A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2B plus 2CA. A plus B plus C is already given. So I will replace, I'll get ABC and I can replace in that first equation. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Please write it down. Please write it down.
Sir, I have a doubt in those questions which you gave, sir. I got like two questions.
Once done, please just raise your hand once you have written this solution. Honestly, tell me, did you guys try this 23 and 25th question yesterday or today? Or just quit? कि नहीं होगा?
Sir, I did the 25th question, but I didn't do the 23rd one.
Sir, can you scroll up a bit?
Sir, I
23
tried
तो
20. Sir, I tried 25th one, sir, but I was not able to go beyond that. I did not take it in the square one, like A plus B D C the whole square formula.
Okay. Ritvi, in this question where you were till which level you were able to do?
Sir, like when we took A plus B plus C, like to find 2AB plus 2BC, there I did not take the formula where it will come, like A
Okay,
plus B
miss,
plus C whole
same
square.
like Tarun, correct?
Yeah.
Others, anyone tried? So nobody else, only Tarun and Ritvi and Srinidhi. Three of you. Okay. ठीक है. Now, Vidyut, open your camera.
Sir, can you scroll up a bit?
You're not done?
Not yet, sir. Just 2 minutes.
Okay, okay, okay. Vidyut, open your camera.
So I have few doubts in those 10 questions which you gave yesterday.
Okay, wait. Actually, you should not have, but anyway. Vidyut. Yes, Vidyut. Solve this question for everyone. Yes.
Yes, sir. So first we should take like we have to first write a LHS separately,
Okay.
and then that's a plus b plus c whole cube minus
A plus B plus
plus
C
c
the
whole
whole
cube
cube
minus
Min-
a cube minus b cube minus c cube.
Okay.
Yeah, and then next what we should do is we should take a plus b as x and c as y.
Okay. Okay.
So it will become x plus y the whole cube. So
Okay.
then put a plus b in bracket
A plus
plus
B.
b. So first whole bracket a plus b. So another bracket before a plus b. So it's
Okay.
plus c. Yeah, and then we can do minus. Minus a cube plus b cube plus c cube
Minus A cube.
minus bracket.
Okay.
Put bracket common minus a cube plus b cube plus c cube.
Okay. Okay. Now.
Then again we should take just like leave it a plus b the whole cube plus c cube
Just hold on. So A plus B the whole cube. Okay. Then.
plus c cube. So can you write it down?
It's written A plus B whole cube
No,
plus C
once
cube.
again.
Okay.
You have to
Okay.
write
Once again. Okay.
a plus b whole cube plus c cube plus 3a plus b
Plus
bracket
3
3a plus b then into c
Okay.
plus a plus into c, so c bracket once c inside brackets, sir.
Okay.
Then in plus a plus b plus c.
Plus A
Plus b.
plus C. Why
Yeah,
this
bracket.
bracket? Okay. But why this? Why you have added this one? A 3 into A plus B into C
Yes, sir.
plus A plus B plus C. What is the significance? How you can add these two things? With it?
Sorry, sir, not plus, sir. It's multiplication.
Achha, multiplication. Okay. So 3 into A plus B into C multiply by A plus B plus C. Okay.
Yes.
Next.
And then minus again the same minus
Minus
a cube bracket a cube plus b cube plus b cube plus c cube.
Okay.
Then when we do, sir, we'll get like
Yes, sir. First, you have changed the question, sir. You have added few new terms. From where
Sir,
you have added?
sir, this is like we are writing it in the form as 3ab into Crystal. We can take like 3 into a plus b into c. So that's 3ab.
3 into A plus B into C into
3ab.
A into A plus B plus C. Correct.
Yeah.
But you have introduced new term here. So you have changed the question. Either you have to subtract the same term.
Yeah.
Then only it will be it will remain same. The question will remain same.
Yes, sir.
So now what to do then?
Yes, sir. So next one, you'll get a cube plus
With
b
you,
cube.
I cannot go ahead beyond this step because you have changed the question. Try to understand what I'm telling you.
Sir, then put after a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus a plus b plus c. Sir, once again. After that.
Okay, you are telling?
So we can, if we add a new term, we have to subtract that.
Yes.
So
So
like we can do
a plus b, you're telling a plus b
whole
cube plus c cube
c cube
plus
plus
3a
3a
plus b into
c
c. You're telling then into a plus b plus
e
c
plus c
minus
minus
again
a cube
minus. So with this,
okay.
I have to subtract this all term, na?
Yeah,
So
minus
let me write
3a plus b c a plus b plus c minus
minus
a cube plus b cube
Actually,
plus c cube.
Yes.
sorry, Mia.
Tell me
Then
now.
then we can do like a cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube. So a cube plus b cube
Plus b cube
plus 3ab a plus b. So I'm not factorizing it like 3a square b 3ab square. I'm just leaving it as it is.
But in Jira,
Huh?
it is
3ab.
3ab.
So the formula is
हाँ
A
a
cube
plus
plus
b.
B.
ठीक है
Yeah.
चलो. Okay.
yeah,
Now
and then again c
then again c plus c cube.
105.
Yeah, plus C cube.
Huh.
and then plus 3a plus b into c
Okay, I'll write it c here. A plus b plus c minus 3c a plus b
yeah
a
No,
plus b plus c.
and then minus a cube no brackets sir minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube no need
Okay.
brackets sir.
Okay, ठीक है. I'm removing this bracket now.
Yeah, and then you can subtract these three terms a cube plus b cube plus c cube with those three sir.
Okay, now
And then you can take 3 sir not 3c sir not 3c a plus
it
b,
is
sir.
3c, na? 3 into a plus b into c into a plus b plus c. So
No
it is
sir sir
Ah.
what I have done little different sir. I
Ah.
kept it as 3a plus b
okay.
and then c I have multiplied with a plus b plus c
Okay,
later.
ठीक है, you can do also that also. So I
Yeah.
should write a b.
So we can take common between them. We can take so
You
we
take
can take 3a plus b common between them.
A plus b common.
B common. Then
Okay.
bracket ab
A b plus c
plus
a
c into plus
CB.
ca plus bc plus c square
c square
minus
minus 3a
3
sorry 3ac
3ac minus
Minus
3b
3
b
3
3bc
bc
bc.
and then minus 3c square, correct?
Yeah.
Now
And then 3a plus b. Then we can take a common a b plus c
b plus c
c plus c b plus c
b plus c
minus c
minus
minus 3c
3c
minus 3c
then the remaining is a plus
a plus b
b
plus c
Plus
plus c
c, correct?
yes.
Then
So then we can take 3a plus b a plus c b plus c
just hold on, just hold on. Should I write like this?
3a plus b. Then we can take a plus c
A
no
plus
a plus c b plus c common terms of b plus c and a
the
plus
B-
c is the terms outside. B plus c
a
a plus c
no just hold on a second. We have taken common. Wait, let me write this. Just wait a second.
what happened?
Wait a second. I'm just rubbing it. Hmm.
3a plus b
So you are telling
then put bracket
plus C common.
B plus C.
A plus C left out minus
Yeah.
3C. A plus B plus C. Now,
Yes, sir. Then we can do. So we can just multiply 3A plus B into B plus C.
B plus C.
No,
A
no, sir.
plus-
Sir, can we?
you have to multiply these two, right?
Yeah.
So I should write it, na? Then
Minus
3AC minus 3BC minus 3C square. Again,
Yeah.
the same thing you have written. Yes, now.
I'm stuck here.
Okay.
Sir, I got the answer without actually subtracting it. I got it correct.
You are doing, I am not doing, you are only doing.
Sir,
You
I
would have-
got the answer correct without subtracting the value which I added.
So where is the answer? Vidyut?
Sir, I did not subtract it. So directly I got 3A plus B plus C into A plus C, sir. I got that answer. They asked us to verify.
This is your solution you have given. Where is the answer?
Yes, sir.
That
Sir,
is I'm
like
asking.
without this subtracting, I got the answer correct.
Without subtracting means what?
Like, sir, we subtracted this one, right? Minus 3C, A plus B plus C, right? We subtracted that.
So we
Without
have to
doing that,
subtract.
I got the answer.
We have to subtract it. That is part of the solution. You cannot remove it. You are telling just remove, forget this part and do this one, right?
Yeah, hold on.
No, sir, I did not even do the subtracting, but I got the answer correct.
No, no, you have done some mistake. Something you have done. Anybody else who has done this question?
Sir,
Yes, Shindy, I would like
Sir,
to see
I
your
have-
solution also. Yes, go ahead. Let me. Everyone, I appreciate Vidyut because he has given a try. Very good, Vidyut. That is required. Whether you get right answer, wrong answer, that is second part. At least you should give a try. So your fundamentals will get clear.
So I sent you the solution yesterday.
I want you everyone. Now is Srinidhi time, and then I will get back to you. Yes, Srinidhi, the question is here.
yes.
I want to see the approach. That is more important because solution, though you'll get it. I am going to give you solution, but I want to see the approach. How you are approaching this type of question. Yes, Srinidhi.
So first we can group it. A plus B plus C the whole cube minus A cube in one bracket.
A plus B plus C the whole cube minus A cube in
Minus
one
A
bracket and then minus B cube
Minus common
plus C
plus
cube.
C cube.
Okay, now
So now we can
just
A
hold on a
plus B
second.
plus C the whole cube minus A cube.
Just hold on a second. Everyone,
Yes.
are you guys seeing here, or you're just thinking, hey, let her finish or let Vidyut finish? Then once sir will give the solution, I'll write it down. Is it like that?
No, sir.
So everyone, please pay attention. Vidyut had some other approach. Now Srinidhi is approaching other way. I want to see the approach. This is more important. See others how they are doing. Yes, Srinidhi, go ahead.
So now A plus B plus C minus the whole cube minus A cube can be written as A plus B plus C minus A.
C minus A.
So minus A in one bracket only, like A plus B plus C minus A in one bracket.
Okay. Just hold on.
We are writing it is in the form of A cube minus B cube, right? So
Yes. So A plus B plus C minus
A
minus A, then
into A
Into-
plus B plus C the whole square
C the whole square
plus A plus B plus C into
A plus B plus C into A, okay,
plus A square.
plus A square.
A square.
So A plus B plus C the whole cube is A cube minus B cube is A minus B, A square, then
Plus AB
plus AB.
plus B square.
Okay. Then
Then again B cube plus C cube can be written as B plus C into B square minus BC
C minus
plus C
plus
square.
C square. Correct.
So what did she do in this step? Sir? I don't understand. Minus B
You have to
plus-
listen. Vidyut, she is
Can you
already
repeat?
telling. No, you have to listen. You have to be a good listener also. Yes, Srinidhi.
So now we can expand the brackets.
Okay.
A plus B plus C minus
Should I cancel
A
this?
cancel.
Should I
Yes, sir.
should?
You
Okay.
can cancel. Now
B-
B plus
Okay.
into A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA plus A square plus AB plus AC plus A square.
Now here, BQ.
No, we can keep it as
Like
we don't
that
need the
only.
square bracket. Now we can keep it as minus B plus C into B square minus BC plus
Okay.
C square only.
So B plus C into B
B square
square
minus
minus BC plus C square. Okay.
yes. Sir.
Now,
Now here we can add the like terms.
okay.
A
So
square plus A square.
I will A square and then A square. So 2A square, right?
3A square, sir.
Okay,
Last
sorry, 3, like the last one, 3A square. Then B square,
plus B square plus C square.
B square, and then where is B square?
There is no B square.
So only
There is
plus
no
B
another.
square. Then C square, there is no C square. Then plus 2AB and plus
Plus
3AB,
3AB,
BC, then plus 2BC,
2B.
plus 2CA, plus 3CA, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus B plus
B
C
plus C.
into B square minus BC plus C square, right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Now we can take B plus C common
B plus C common.
and 3A square plus B square plus C square plus 3AB plus 2BC plus 3A
3CA, then minus B square
minus B
plus
square
BC,
plus BC.
and then
minus
minus
C
C square, correct?
Yes, sir. Now plus B square minus B square gets cancelled.
So next step, I will write it
Okay, sir.
B plus C. So 3A square. So I will write it like that. 3A
Yes, sir.
square, B square and minus B square gets cancelled. Then C square
C
and
square
this
minus C square
gets cancelled. 3AB. So I will write 3AB. Then
2BC plus BC 3BC
3BC plus
plus 3A.
3CA. Correct?
Yes, sir. Now we can
Okay.
take 3 common.
Okay. So I will take 3 common. So this one is A square plus AB plus BC plus CA.
So now in the first two terms, A square plus AB, we can take A common.
Okay. So 3B plus C will take common A.
Yes, sir.
A plus B will take common C.
C,
B
B plus A.
B plus A. So 3B plus C, A plus B, and A plus C. Perfect. Perfect. Very good with Shindy. Now, Deepika, you have any other solution? Deepika?
No, sir.
Same solution.
No.
So this is Srinidhi's solution. Now I will give you one solution. See why this class, why I am dedicating it to show you that you can solve some if your process is correct, and it can be different method also. So I'll give
So
you
can we
next.
copy this?
Please copy, and then I will give you next solution. For same question, I'll give you another solution. Please
Yes.
copy, everyone.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Sir, if you don't mind, can I ask something, sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, in this one step, minus b plus c into b square minus bc plus c square, so I understood how we got it.
She
And the
has taken this as one term, this as another term. She
Yes,
has
sir.
combined it.
I got that, sir. The next step, I'm not
So
understanding why.
AQ minus BQ formula is what?
Nothing else.
AQ
So
minus BQ.
mine is a bit different.
Okay, ठीक है. Let me answer Vidyut first. AQ minus BQ is what?
Anything else that
Sir,
I'm sure they-
a plus a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square.
She has done like that. A minus B A square into AB into B square.
Like I told you.
She
Yeah.
has done like that. Here B cube minus C cube, she has done B plus C into
B square minus
C.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir. The next after that, sir, sir, why in this b plus c 3a square plus b square plus c square plus 3ab plus 2bc plus 3ca
Sir,
minus b square.
what is A plus B plus C the whole square? A square
Sir,
plus B
yes,
square
sir,
plus
I
C
got it.
square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA, and she has multiplied these two.
Yes,
A
sir.
square
I got all the steps, sir. I'm confused in the second step after this, sir.
This
Sir,
one.
after the next step, one more step is there. No, this one.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yes, she has taken B plus C common.
Yes, I got that.
So what is left out? 3A square plus B square plus C square plus 3AB
Okay,
plus
yes, sir.
2.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes, just do it.
sir, I have a different solution for this.
Okay. I'll get back to you
Yes,
on
sir.
this. Deepika and Mohit has given some different solution. I would like to see. Everyone has written this.
So one.
Others?
Sir, 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Nabavi? Understood? I'll ask because then I'm spending today time on this question just to see your approach. Can you guys try with some different approach now? By the time I look Deepika and Lohit's solution, I want you to come with some different solution. Everyone try, and then I will ask you randomly. I will ask anyone to tell me your approach. Srinidhi?
Yes, sir.
NCRT is also done for you. 2.5.
I have few questions left.
Few questions. So please finish it fast now.
So I have doubted NCRT, sir.
Okay. Let me address this first. NCRT. Which question you have doubt?
Sir, I have doubt in 12th one, sir. 13th, I could do it. I could prove it. 12th, I have doubt.
2.5.
Yes, sir. 12th one.
Verify that this is equals to this. So expand it. X minus y the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square y square minus 2xy. Then y square z square minus yz. Then z square minus z square plus x square minus 2zx. Then cancel x square and 2x square plus 2y square to 2z square.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. I didn't understand anything, sir. It was so fast.
Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to 1 by 2 x plus y plus z into x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square. This is the question.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Now, the square bracket first you solve by opening the bracket by formula a minus b the whole square. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then you will get common. 2 will be common. 2 will be common. You will take out 2. Then 1 by 2 into 2, that will be cancelled. Then you see what is left out. x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx will be left out, which is nothing but that same formula. Vidyut, yes, Vidyut, you got it?
Yes, sir.
So that's just you have to open the square bracket. You solve a minus b the whole square in that square bracket. So before everyone is trying this question, Lohit, what is your solution?
So, so first I took the LHS like as a bracket.
LHS as bracket.
No, so bracket and then a plus b in one bracket and then plus c whole cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube.
Okay.
And then a plus b whole cube. The formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square, right? So I changed that as a cube plus b cube, and I took 3ab common in it, and I wrote it as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b.
Okay.
So and then I wrote, so you can write it as a plus b whole cube plus c cube plus 3 bracket a plus b into c, and then bracket a plus b plus c minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube.
Can you send me the solution?
Yeah, I'll send it.
Deepika, have you sent the solution?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll check it later. Let me check.
Sir, while doing these type of questions, sir, like how do we know which one to group with what, sir? So this question which we just did now, how will we know
Deepika,
which one to?
I have not got your. That is practice. Vidyut, I told you.
So
That you have to
yesterday I
practice.
sent it.
Acha, sorry, yesterday. Let me see this one. Yes, Deepika, that is perfectly correct. Good. You did by yourself, na, Deepika?
Yes, sir.
Very good. That is very good approach.
Sir, I sent it.
Okay, let me see. A cube plus b cube 3 is Deepika, what you did in the second step, a plus b the whole cube plus c cube plus 3 into a plus b into c, then into a plus b plus c. How?
So I expanded the first term, a plus b plus c whole cube.
A plus b plus c the whole cube. The formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b. Acha, okay, I got it. Okay. The a plus b into c plus a plus b plus c. Okay. Then a cube plus okay. A, B, yes, correct.
Sir,
That's correct.
sir,
Vidyut, are you solving this question?
so this question I just told that was my approach.
No.
Like which I did.
We have to be 69.1, which has more details of that.
Yes, same way Lohit also have solved. Okay, that's correct, Lohit. That's correct, Lohit.
Okay, sir.
So
once can you just scroll up? I need to write the question. Like
I'm
the
solving
solution.
it with another method.
Oh, okay.
Now
sir.
I'm solving everyone. Just see. So to solve this question, you can solve in different way. The method should be same. That I always say in mathematics. So the approach, key what to do, how to group and all. See left hand side, you have cubes, but in right hand side you don't have any cube. Correct? So first thing should come in your mind that this cube should go away. How to go away, that you have to see. So right hand side there is no cube, so this will get cancelled anyhow. So how to do it? So we group A plus B plus C the whole cube minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube. Why I did so? So that when I will expand, I will get C cube, then I will expand these two, I will get A cube and B cube, and somehow it will get cancelled. This was my approach. Because why? Because right hand side there is no cube. That's why I'm doing so. So A plus B the whole cube, A cube plus A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B, 3A square B plus 3A B square, correct? Minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube. So here only first thing to is gone. Now this we have to remove this. So we can, if we expand this, we can remove. And see here A plus B is there. A plus B, A plus B, A plus B. We are getting something. So if we'll remove these two, we'll have something common in these three terms. So let's expand this one. So A plus B the whole cube, I'll call any one of you. Kaushal, A plus B the whole cube. Kaushal, A plus B, quickly tell me, answer me.
Sir,
A plus B the whole cube. What is the formula?
A cube
A cube
plus Y cube.
plus Y cube
Sorry, sir. B cube
plus B cube
plus
plus
B plus 3A square by 3A square B
plus 3A square B,
plus
then plus
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 3
3.
plus 3A B square.
Okay. So then 3A plus B the whole square C plus 3A plus B C square minus A cube minus B cube. Gone. So it's now this question is out of this cube things. So what is left out? We'll fresh write it here. Sorry. Plus 3AB square plus 3A plus B the whole square, 3 plus 3A plus B C square. Correct?
So why is it 3A plus B C square, sir?
So like that.
Which one?
Why is it 3A plus B C square?
3A plus B
C square.
here, this one, na?
Okay.
No, sir, like why we got C square, sir, in the step?
Vidyut,
I couldn't hear properly. That's
why we got this C square here? Tell me.
Yes, okay. So like A plus B plus C. So that
Vidyut,
one,
are you paying attention
yeah.
on all the steps or not?
Yes, sir, I am. I couldn't hear properly when you were
You
telling.
cannot hear, but at least you can see what I am doing it. Even if I don't
sir.
speak out anything and if I'm solving, you should pick it up, what I am doing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay? So now,
Yes, sir.
in these two, what is common? 3AB
3AB
So what is left out? A plus B plus here 3A plus B C plus 3A plus B C square. Why I am C? Few of you will have approach to expand this. Why expanding this? Because when we need this A plus B, we should not expand it. Let's keep it like that. Okay, I'm talking about approach. See, the approach you have to pick it up. This solution is not so. Uh, it's just a solution for a question, but approach should be very clear how you have to approach the question. So I will not expand A plus B because in the right hand side I want that same A plus B. So now what is common? 3A plus B is common in all the terms. 3A plus B, 3A plus B, 3A plus B. Correct? So now what is left out? AB plus A plus B. Oh, sorry. Okay. So then C. What is left out? A plus B we have taken C square. Correct? Now.
So what about the C in 3A plus B square C?
Yeah.
The whole
Written. Yeah, this one you are
Oh.
talking about. Correct?
Yes, sir.
3A plus B into this one. So now AB plus CA plus CB CA plus CB plus C square. Correct? This is what left out.
Yes, sir.
Then what we have to take common in this? What you will take common?
A.
Common.
A common, B
Sir,
plus
A-
C, C common,
C common.
B plus
B
C.
plus C.
So
So
3
we'll
into
get
A plus
3A
B,
plus B,
B
A plus C,
A
B,
plus
B
C.
plus.
This is the answer.
Sir, I did the same method.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Doubt.
So can you
Yes.
scroll up?
I'm scrolling up it. Yes, doubt. Where is the doubt? Tell me.
Sir, when we grouped A plus B into
Uh.
one cube and C cube separately, can we just group it like A cube plus B cube plus C cube?
So then what you will do? How? I mean, I didn't get. Come again.
Sir, in the starting, when you grouped A plus B whole cube
Huh?
and then C whole cube.
C
So,
cube. Huh?
yeah.
Okay.
So can we group A cube separately and B plus C whole cube?
Yes, you can do it. Yes,
Oh.
you can do. Then also you'll get the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Then see, that's why I initially only I told Srinidhi and Vidyut to solve it. They had the different approach. This is different approach. Vidyut do something else. Srinidhi did something else. I did something related. I mean, matching with Vidyut. So question can be solved in any form. Srinidhi, can you mute your mic? So answer will come same. It's just an approach we are talking about. Is it clear? Or anyone is still feeling like didn't understand?
Sir, I'm not clear very much.
Which step? Any particular step or from the beginning?
Actually, from the beginning.
This A plus B plus C the whole cube. Can we write A plus B plus C the whole cube? We'll take this as X or Y. And then we give X cube plus Y cube plus 3X square Y plus 3Y square. Is this step clear?
Yes, sir.
Now after that, what I told you, since right hand side there is no cube, so my objective is to get rid of these cubes. So in the very first step, this C cube and minus C cube we can cancel.
Yes,
Now
sir.
what is left out? A plus B the whole cube. Can we expand it? A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. And then we wrote this as it is. All this as it is. Correct? With Vaibhavi, you will have to answer me yes and
Yes,
then I'll
sir.
go ahead. So a cube and b cube and minus a cube and minus b cube got cancelled.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is left out? 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3 into a plus b the whole square c plus 3a plus b c whole square. Correct?
Yes, I got it.
Now what we did, I took 3ab common from first two terms. So I am left out with a plus b. And in these terms also we have a plus b. So in these three terms, what is common? 3a plus b is common. So left out is ab plus c, a plus b plus c square. And then I removed the bracket with ca and cb and then I took common.
Oh,
Clear?
yes, sir.
Anybody else? So I full one day with one question only. But I think if this is clear to each one of you,
Yes, sir.
why I spent time on this question just to show you the approach. And now when you are talking about yesterday's 10 question doubt, tell me which question.
Sir, I have a doubt in sixth one. I tried it. I went up to -4 and +4 also, but I didn't get like the factor.
Anyone did this question?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Quickly tell me so that they can also.
Sir, it's actually, I don't think so. It's 5x. I guess it's 53x.
Then I'll have to check. Okay, sixth question I will check it. Apart from
So
sixth
because
question.
I remember solving such questions sometime before,
Okay.
but I don't think so. It was 5x.
Okay, ठीक है. I'll check this question. Actually, this is from R.D. Sharma. I'll have to check. I straight away took the question and gave it to you, but then I'll have to check. Any other question in this?
Sir, seventh one also same. It's like this
Seventh one. Anyone has solved seventh one?
Sir, I have solved.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
What is the zero of this polynomial?
-2.
-2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the one factor is x plus 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is one.
And
This
the
is
other
one of
factor is y square minus 4y minus 21.
minus y square minus 4y.
4y minus 21.
So Vaibhavi.
Yes, sir. I tried it with -2. I didn't get it.
Let's do it then. It's -2 cube minus 2 into -2 square minus 29 into -2 and minus 42. So this is -8, then -8, then plus 58, then -42. So 50 got cancelled, na Vaibhavi?
Sir, I wrote it as -50.
Then that is your problem, Vaibhavi. You have to improve. You cannot tell. We cannot afford to have calculation mistake anymore. And you didn't revise it also. You didn't try it again.
Sir, I tried many times. I tried with -2, till 2, and I tried -3 also.
Then why here? Where you went wrong in this?
Sir, I wrote it as -58.
Any other doubt in 10 question? This 10 question? No doubt. So and NCRT, anything? Any doubt in NCRT 2.5?
So I have a doubt. The last two questions, what are the possible dimensions of area, volume? So in that we are supposed to write the factors.
Yes. You have to write the factor, give possible expression for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangle. So you have to factorize it. It will come in two factors. So one is length, one is breadth.
Okay. So for some it is coming like 3x into a plus b, c plus a, like that form. So 3 dimensions are coming.
No, it cannot be. You have to get two factors.
Okay,
you have to get two factors.
No, I'm talking about volume, sir.
The volume will be three factors. This volume
Yes,
will be 3 factors. Length, breadth,
so
and height.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I think you guys have not solved 2.5. Tell me very honestly, raise your hand who all have not solved everything. Please raise your hand on. Yes, Vaibhavi. Next, Prithvi, Avinjay, Nitin, Tanjana. Please do it. Tomorrow we are going to start new chapter. Okay? Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Today, and
Yes,
I
sir.
want everything on my WhatsApp today or by tomorrow before class. And this is not fair. Okay? ठीक है. Now I'll ask ma'am to come. Thank you.